Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a split-based cocktail called the Small Dinger. To make this drink, I'm going to start with the rum. 1 1/4 ounces of white rum. 1 1/4 ounces is 37.5 milliliters. Next, the gin. 3/4 ounces of gin, which is 22.5 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. Homemade grenadine is far superior to anything I bought in the store. I do have a recipe on the channel if you want to make it as well. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. Finally, lime juice. 1/2 ounce, which is 15 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. Add your ice. And give it a shake. The recipe calls for a martini style or a cocktail glass. I don't have one of those, so I'm going to use a coupe instead, which works perfectly fine. Strain it into the glass. And no garnish. There you have it, the Small Dinger. Drink with good spirits.